So this is how you fix a saggy gate. So you get a gate like this, and it won't shut. And you can see it won't shut. So one thing you can do is you can take this off and adjust this lever up. Or you can come over here and look and see if the post that it connects to has some play in it. I don't know if you can see that play, but it is the right amount. So by checking that play, you come over here. Now the guys that did the install on this didn't really listen to me. They were supposed to put a steel into the ground, and instead they just put a 4x4 here, and I didn't catch it. And everybody, if I would have caught it, I can guarantee you all they would have said was, well, it's only a 3-foot high fence, so we don't need to put a steel post in the ground. To that I would have said, put a steel post in the ground. But, see, it's a 1/2 inch or 9/16. What they put in there? Looks like they put a 9/16. So what they did is they violated the cinder block pillars here with their cheapy Charlie, easy peasy, just drill it in and put a redhead in there, or whatever they put in there. And of course, after a while of being slammed by the gardener and who knows who else, it doesn't work anymore. So I'm going to see if I can't get lucky and tighten it up. Chances are it'll probably just spin, but this is why you want to micromanage everything you can in your life if you can't find the right people to do it. So I'm putting a lot of pressure on that. Let's see. We could just make it worse. Let's see now if it shuts. Oh, like a dream. So it shuts like a dream. That's all it took. I'm gonna give it just another little cinch, but you don't want to go too much. Check the bottom one. The bottom one has some crap in it. Oh, nice. They put a screw right. Here's what the geniuses do. They've got a hinge right here. Right here is the hinge. And so right here is the lag bolt, and the screw goes right through there. So I can't even tighten that one up without undoing the screw from that hinge, but it shuts. Watch how easy it shuts now. Perfect. So I'm gonna walk away. It was just the tight one. That's Michael Dillon, and that is how to tighten up your gate if it doesn't shut properly, how to fix the latch.